2. Omnipresence and Ubiquity. The ubiquity of deity must not be confused with the ultimacy of the divine omnipresence. It is volitional with the Universal Father that the Supreme, the Ultimate, and the Absolute should compensate, coordinate, and unify his time-space ubiquity and his time-space transcended omnipresence with his timeless and spaceless universal and absolute presence. And you should remember that, while deity ubiquity may be so often space-associated, it is not necessarily time-conditioned. As mortal and Urantia ascenders, you progressively discern God through the ministry of God the Sevenfold. Through Havana, you discover God the Supreme. On Paradise, you find him as a person, and then, as finalators, you will presently attempt to know him as ultimate. Being finalators, there would seem to be but one course to pursue after having attained the ultimate, and that would be to begin the quest of the Absolute. No finalator will be disturbed by the uncertainties of the attainment of the deity absolute, since at the end of the supreme and ultimate ascensions he encountered God the Father. Such finalators will no doubt believe that, even if they should be successful in finding God the Absolute, they would only be discovering the same God, the Paradise Father, manifesting himself on more nearly infinite and universal levels. Undoubtedly, the attainment of God in Absolute would reveal the primal ancestor of universes as well as the final father of personalities. God the Supreme may not be a demonstration of the time-space omnipresence of deity, but he is literally a manifestation of divine ubiquity. Between the spiritual presence of the Creator and the material manifestations of creation, there exists a vast domain of the ubiquitous becoming, the universe emergence of evolutionary deity. If God the Supreme ever assumes direct control of the universes of time and space, we are confident such a deity administration will function under the over-control of the Ultimate. In such an event, God the Ultimate would begin to become manifest to the universes of time as the transcendental Almighty, the Omnipotent, exercising the over-control of super-time and transcended space concerning the administrative functions of the Almighty Supreme. The mortal mind may ask, even as we do, if the evolution of God the Supreme to administrative authority in the grand universe is attended by augmented manifestations of God the Ultimate, will a corresponding emergence of God the Ultimate in the postulated universes of outer space be attended by similar and enhanced revelations of God the Absolute? But we really do not know.